Alright, so on the table today, I've got Sergio. He drove in, his hometown is Del Rio. We're in Georgia West right now, but he's coming in from Laredo and he's on his way to Bay City. And he knows we're down here in South Texas just Mondays and Tuesdays, and he decided to drop in. He's never seen a chiropractor before. We're about to give him his first adjustment, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so stretch you out here and we'll adjust you. Oh, perfect. Got some popcorn over there. Como palomitas. Did you feel that?
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, let's check this side. Okay, good. Alright, next I'm going to traction out your spine. And let me grab this little towel I got sitting over here. Basically, we're going to stretch out the whole upper body, okay? Head up slightly. Right there, and basically make a scarf out of it. And I'm going to have you make sure you keep your mouth closed and don't bite on your tongue. Just going to get in here and loosen you up. Perfect. You grew another inch right there, Sergio.
I bet I did.
Alright. Next, I'm going to have you cross your arms over your chest like so. Do one hand and the other. There. Roll you over slightly. Let's find that spot again, right here. Alright, deep breath. Expire. Breathing out. Perfect. Got a lot of movement. One more time. And out. Perfect. Alright, let's pull out this pillow here. Have you lay on your side. Delano, face me this way. Easy, right there. More bend. This is top knee right there. Kind of make a human pretzel out of you. How long are you going to be in Bay City?
I'm just going for, probably be back tomorrow to Laredo.
Alright, so just a day.
Yeah.
So stretch this out. Alright, same thing other side. So low back's a little tighter than everything else. Bend this guy. There. That's his arm. I got you. You won't fall. Breathe. Face up. We'll traction out the lower body here. Just relax the leg, relax the knee, bend it right here. Good. Not too loose. Do the same on the side. Stretch you out today. Loosey goosey. Good. Perfect. Did you feel all that stretch out?
Yeah, I sure did.
Come on up. I'll put you on the roller table next to your left over there.